Avoid tolls on Waze. Hey folks, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. And in this video, I'm showing you the step-by-step guide to enable the toll avoidance function in Waze. Remember, it avoids tolls if there's an alternative route. If there's no alternative route, you have to go through the toll booth. There's no way around it. So this avoids tolls if you have an alternative route, enabling a function in Waze here. Do you like these kinds of videos? There are other related videos on this channel. Subscribe to the channel and give it a like. I'm always making videos to help you guys. So let's go, folks. I'm already in the Waze app, and you're going to click up here on these three lines. Then you're going to click on the settings option. In settings, you're going to look for this option, folks, navigation. Click on it. And in navigation, here it is, folks, avoid tolls. So you just enable that toggle switch. In addition to avoiding tolls, you can avoid ferries, highways, and also unpaved roads. So you configure it, customize Waze to your preference. Got it? Comment below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. That's it for me. A big hug, God bless. Thanks, guys.